Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have unboxing here. This watch was lent in for a presentation on the channel by DEVO Watches. So let's get this open and see what we have here. I actually don't know what this watch looks like, so we'll take a look at it together here. You guys don't need to see the package. I'm putting the wrong thing on the table here. So let's see what we have in here. It's like a simple cardboard box. So DEVO, D-E-V-O. I see it's got another little pouch in here, or a drawer. Alright, very cool. It looks kind of like a sector dial dress watch. Highly polished. Case is polished everywhere, I should say. Don't see any brushing on here at all. Nope, feels like a little bit of protective plastic on here. Little piece of plastic here, so we'll pull that out. Pull the crown out. Hopefully it went in that case. I don't know where that little piece of plastic went. Okay, so we have a quartz watch. Kind of assume that with that little piece of plastic that was on there to hold the crown out. Here's the case back, highly polished. Looks like a mirror finish on this thing. See, 10 ATM water resistant, Swiss movement, sapphire glass, and limited edition. Right there. Probably leave that protective plastic on the back, genuine leather, and over here it says DEVO, and a quick release leather strap. So that's very nice. This thing is very thin. I would guess under 10 millimeter thin or thick, and it has a onion crown with maybe that'll be loom. I'm not sure what that is. Actually, let's see here. I guess it's not loomed, but it does react to the UV light. So let me know what you guys think of this watch. I don't really have that many dress watches. I'm more into a dive watch or field watches. And then, of course, my G-Shock collection. Okay, let me get this on wrist. Then I'll leave a link in the description to DEVO Watches. Oh, I guess it would help if I took this plastic off of here. Come on. Of course, it's going to get stuck to my fingers by static electricity. Okay, there we go. Let's get this on wrist and we'll see how it looks. So I have a 6.5 inch wrist, and I probably could go down to the second to last hole position, but I don't really want to risk stretching out the watch. Then we have 4 more hole positions left, so 4 plus 3 is 7. All right, there we go on my 6.5-inch wrist. And we have this watch from DEVO Watches. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.